guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a video transition to your text. Super simple. You're just going to add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word one, and I'm going to change the font to that. I really like this one. I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to change it to 2, and I'll do one more, and I'm going to change that to 3. I'm also going to change like the colors of these texts, because why not? And I'm going to make them slightly shorter in duration as well. You can do this after you've created a compound clip, but I'm just going to do it now. Right click, create compound clip, and add it separately. Like so. Oops. Now we're just going to add in a video transition. Go to transitions, and you can add in any video transition that you want. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!